Hi, today actually we will see how I can merge two photos together, image 1 in vertical way and image 2. Okay, so how can I make like this? How can I have merged photo composed from 1 and 2 or also 1 and 2 but by another way. So image 1 could be above the image 2 or image 2 could be above the image 1. Okay, now let's see how can I First, I should import CV2 because actually OpenCV is the library. It's one library deals with the images and photos. Now import NumPy because actually the images are arrays. Because of this, actually, I should import NumPy because also NumPy actually deals with the arrays and numbers. So I'll import also NumPy. Now, first things I will actually capture and call the first image, by which instruction CV2 from CV2, as I told you, because before CV2 OpenCV always deals with the photo and images. So CV2.IamRead. This is this instruction to read and capture the photo, and after I should mention its location. Here actually my both photo because I remove this. Here, this is photo 1 and this is photo 2. Where are they? They are in D. Okay, we can see photo and D photo and the name of the photo. Okay, so now like we can see D photo and photo 1.gbg, they show you, actually it shows you the photo, and also here we can see also D photo and photo 2.jpg. Okay, so now what I'll do here, actually I just print the size of photo 1. Okay, just the size of photo 1. If I want also, actually no, I'm sorry, if I want to also print the size of photo 2, it's easily I can say print image 2.shape from 0 to till 2. So here what it will show, actually also here it will take the shape, like it will give me a tuple like this. It's named tuple. The first actually factor, it's the y, and the second it's x. Okay, so just a little bit. This is the image. The image, we said it's an array, so it has column and rows, right? X and Y, pixels, right? Pixels. Each pixel has some amount of colors of red and blue and green. Now this is pixel. How many pixels here? This is Y, we said. Okay, how many pixels or columns here? It's X. So here, how many pixels actually here in the first image? It's and in Y it's 800, and X it's 600. So you see here 600, and here 800. Okay, so 800 pixel and here 600 pixel, or we can say 600 X and Y. Okay, Y and X. So if I said from 0 to 1, it will show me just shape 0. We can try it. And because 0, that's shape 0, that's mean Y. Shape 1, that's mean X. Always actually I should remember it. 0 here, Y first, 0 after actually X. And if I told actually if I tell him, if I tell it the program, if I tell the program to print all the shape like image.shape, we will see it will bring also comma and 3. That's mean what? That's mean first actually this array is 3D, not 4D, like X, Y and Z here, because each pixel is about what? Is a tuple, and it's like it's like how many like it's a mixed amount of blue and red and like and red and blue and green. Okay, so now let's see. So how can I access to Y for the first image, the width of the first image? I will say image1 dot shape 1. Okay, dot shape 1, because X always 1. And if I want to access to the Y, to its width height, what can I say? I should say actually height 1 equal image1 dot shape 0 here, because this is okay. And for width 2 and height 2, it's the same things, just I should mention image2 dot shape 1, and for height 2 image2 dot shape 0. And you can see here you see, this is actually the size of the first one, and this is the size of the second one. And if I remove here, I'll show you. You see here actually they are writing, actually they wrote what? 3. They wrote 3, that's mean what? Here there's a tuple, actually it represents the amount of each color, blue and green and red. Okay, and here is the same things. Now actually I should now if I consider like now I have image 1. We say 800 the height. Okay, this is 800, and here 600 the width, right? And then the second image, it's 600 the height. Okay. 600, and the width 577. This is the first and this is the second. Now if I want to put them above each other, what can I do? First, if I will put them like this, if I said okay, just I will say mp dot vstack image2 and image1. Okay, this is image2, I'll put it first, and this is image1, I'll put it here. But image1 is the width of image1 is bigger, is longer than the width in image2. Here it's 600, right? And here here 600, I'm sorry, here 577, and here it would be how 600. So here image1, the width of image1 is longer than the width of image2, and actually this instruction will not work, because this instruction, if I want it works well, so both of the image should have the same width. So width 1 equal width 2. So what can I do? No, just actually I should resize the image 2 or the image 1. Okay, I resize the image 1. Okay, I resize the image 1. What can I do? New image 2 cv dot resize. I'll mention here image 2 that which image I want to resize it, image 2, which is this. Okay, image 2, I will resize it. And after I should mention also x here, x width and height and y. Okay, x and y, not y and x and y when I want to resize one image. So x and y, x, the new x, what it should be, the width 1, the width of the first image, so they can match together. Okay, now imagine, okay, it will work, yes, actually the instruction actually will work. But the problem what now? Actually here, if I'll have this photo, okay, and I change, it has x and y, I want to change its width. Okay, it will become like this, x, maybe I'll change it to half, and y. You see here actually, because I kept the same y, but just I changed what? I changed x. Okay, so actually we can see the image got what? Distorted, right? Got distorted. So what can I do to fix it and to make it more actually normal? Okay, what can I do? Easily, actually, I'll say what? Actually, I will say I will make actually proportion direct. How? Like first I'll say if the image, when the image was with width 1, with 2, because it's image 2. Okay, it's image 2. So when it had width 2, actually matched with height 2. Okay, and so when I change it, this is old, this is old, this is the original, we can say actually original size. When I change it to width 2 to width 1 to new width 2, new width 2, new width 2, which is how? Width 1. So what is the height which is corresponds with the new width? Okay, so here height 2, height 2, but the new one. Oh, so now I should calculate this value from what? From proportion direct. Okay, here height new equal h to original multiplied by width new 2, which is width 1, okay, divided by what? Width here, because width 2 original. And that's actually what has been written here. Here, this is like, why I put int? Because actually if I didn't put int and I divide something by something, I'll have a floating number, like maybe 600 points, something else. I don't actually need the points because I can't put points something because it's pixel. So or there's a pixel or not, so there's no point 5 etc. Okay, so I should actually here transform the the floating number to integer number. So I said int new width actually divided by the width 2, new width, what is it? Width 1. New width 2, it's width 1 divided by width 2 and multiplied by height 2, which is the original. And after I can resize it, and here how can I save? And here by this instruction just actually I can merge to photo np from np, okay, dot vstack, and after image 2 after and image 1. If I put image 2 image 1, I'll have image 2 above image 1. If I say actually image 1 image 2, I'll have image 1 and after image 1. We will see. And here how can I save my merged actually photo? Just I am right, CV2 I am right, and I'll put here the location where I want to also save it. And what do I want to save here? Like merged, okay? This is the merged photo. The variable here, okay? Now where we will see, okay, we'll make like this. Where did I save it? D photo, the same. We'll see. D photo at the same actual location, and this is, so this is, we can see this is photo 2 and this is photo 1 and this is photo 2 here and photo 1 here, okay? So if I change here image, you can see also we can see first image 2 it's come, and after image 1. I'm sorry, this is image 1, okay. And actually that's I think it's easy, and after we can also merge by different way, and also we can merge some photo actually in video, and with the video of photos, and we will see. Okay, till we will see a lot of applications and a lot of instructions like this in the next videos. Okay, bye bye.